This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, AP Physics Homework 9.3, question number 1. The work needed to carry a 1 coulomb charge from point A to point B is 7 joules. Calculate the potential difference between points A and B, answer in units of volts. Well, one thing I know is that 1 volt equals 1 joule per coulomb. So volts are joules per coulomb. I also know that my voltage is going to be my amount of energy, which is U, divided by the amount of charge I have is Q. So if I'm moving up a certain voltage, then I'm going to gain some amount of energy per charge. The other way to express that equation is that my energy that I get, my potential energy difference, which is the amount of work I do, is going to be my amount of charge I have times my voltage. So this is the energy held in the charge. So if I have a change in energy, that's my work done. So I know that my work is going to be my change in energy. So that's the difference from one point to another. So if I have point A and point B, so here's point A, it's at 1 voltage, and here's point B at another voltage, and I'm taking a Q from point A to point B. I'm going to move that Q. I'm going to move that Q up from point A to point B. In other words, I'm going to take this Q, and if I've got 1 voltage here, 1 voltage there, I have a change in voltage. I'm going to have a change in energy per charge. So using these equations, U is QV or V is U over Q, I want to calculate the potential difference between point A and point B. That's V, so it's going to be U divided by Q. So my potential difference is V. That's really my delta V, but I'm going to leave it as V, equals my U, my amount of energy is 7 joules, divided by my Q, which is my charge. Here I have 1 coulomb. So 7 divided by 1 for me gives me 7 joules per coulomb, which is the same thing as 7 volts.